experts also in our attendees now. So yes, Nilesh, you may be understanding how people are emotional about making their home, and they are very, very careful in choosing all these interior and appliances also. In jewelry also, like jewelry also has got huge emotional connect. लाइक मेरे माँ ने ये दिया है, मेरे सासू माँ ने ये दिया है, मैंने ये डॉटर के लिए रखा है, डॉटर इन लॉ के लिए रखा है. तो इमोशनल अटैचमेंट इज ऑल्सो देयर. In addition to what we keep in our lockers, we also keep jewelry. Many of us keep jewelry at home also, furniture fixtures, and yes, this entire structure of the home. So all these things put together becomes the home. Here we can connect this to sort of a movie, because when the seed of buying a home comes in our mind, we start developing our plan for buying that property, buying that home. And when we really buy that, we feel like hero. Yes, hero of our life, hero for our family. And whenever we are enjoying this like hero in movie also, in addition to hero, heroine, and the relatives, there are certain villains also. Like in a movie, we cannot avoid any villains. We have to face them and overcome them. Similarly, in real life also, there are villains. Like we have seen earthquake, building collapsing, floods, fire. So all these are villains. At least in a movie, one good thing is that all the responsibility of the success of the movie or loss flop of the movie is on the head of the producer. For many of us, our producer for the home, the financier for the home, may be a bank. So God forbid, if ever any villain wins over hero, in real life, we have to face all the real losses. So what we can do? We cannot avoid such villains, but we can get protection against the villain. Here, write down this fire at Airoli. This in fact happened in front of our building only, and that was such a terror to look at that. कि मतलब घर में आग लगी है. Not only that home, but the neighboring houses also were getting affected by it. Then all these things we cannot avoid, and daily we read, right, in many newspapers or in many news channels also. Many times we read such news articles, we saw pictures, we saw the views in the news channels, and we really feel bad about those who are affected. But normally, such emotions are there for some time only. Afterward, we forget everything. And therefore, many times we forget to keep ourselves protection against that. So all these things we cannot help to avoid, but at least, we can protect ourselves against all these villains. So if you see what kind of villains are there, like burglary, fire, most of the time, the fire happens due to short circuit. Maybe due to short circuit, or maybe some explosion, uh, short circuit explosion of gas cylinder, maybe gas pipeline or anything. And most of the time, fire is the reason for the destruction of the contents or structure of the home. Yes, earthquake also, riots, any kind of explosion, lightning or flood. So yes, owning our home is wonderful, is truly wonderful feeling. But have we really taken all possible measures to protect it? Most of the time, once our dream is fulfilled, we forget about protecting that dream. So just locking the door whenever we go out or whenever inside the home does not protect our home. We need to do something to protect our dream, the dream house, dream home. So how can we do that? Right. So home insurance policy comes with the named risks which are covered in the home insurance policy. And what kind of risks are those? Here, first of all, we need to understand it very clearly that in any home insurance policy, the named perils or named risks are covered. That means if any damage has happened due to these named risks, then that gets covered under the home insurance policy. Yes, so in the first is fire. That's the most important thing which may destroy the property, destroy the contents, destroy the structure of the property. Then lightning, any kind of explosion or implosion. तो मतलब explosion से होता है कि implosion से होता है, तो भी that kind of any damage is covered. Any kind of damage caused due to aircraft damage. The buildings on which the aeroplanes are flying, due to the vibration, sometimes the home or the building may get affected. And if any that kind of damage is happening to the property, then that kind of damage is also covered under the home insurance policy. Yes, these storms, typhoons, tornado. So in short, we can understand that any damage due to cyclone or heavy rains is covered under home insurance policy. Then there is impact damage. So if any damage is happening by direct impact, like for example, train impact, any kind of vehicle impact, or any animal impact, and that is damaging the property, will also get covered under home insurance policy. Then riot, strike, malicious damage to property. Like anyone intentionally damages the property maliciously with wrong intent, then definitely that is also covered under home insurance policy. Landslide, rock slide, missile testing operations, bursting and overflowing of overhead tanks or apparatus or pipes. So if any damage to our home is happening because of such bursting or overflowing, that also gets covered under home insurance policy. Then bushfire, volcano, earthquake. Now we have seen that earthquake created havoc in the lives of many people. Maybe it in Gujarat, Latur, in Maharashtra, or at many places. And yes, those who got affected by that had never imagined that earthquake would change the lives, and because their dream getting collapsed. So earthquake also is the major calamity. We cannot avoid it, but at least we can protect ourselves against the impact of the earthquake, against the havoc which that may cause on our dream home. Then yes, if any act of terrorism is happening, then that is also covered. Leakage from automatic sprinklers installation. So if any homes or any buildings or any residential property has such kind of installations, that also gets covered under the named risk category and under the home insurance policy. These all coverages are available as fire and special perils under the policy, and all these are inbuilt in the policy. So once we take the basic policy, all this cover we get as a bouquet of the protection. Now we will see what are the additional things we can cover by paying additional premium. So in dwelling all risk. So in earlier slide, we saw that there are named risks. If any property, residential property, if the home is getting damaged due to that named risks, then only that is covered under the policy. Now, in dwelling all risk, suppose if any property, house, home gets damaged by fall of a tree, then in normal circumstances, as the inbuilt coverages, that won't be covered in the policy. But by paying small extra premium, if we take all risk policy, then our home can be protected for any physical damage by any kind of accident. And therefore, it is highly advisable. In any home, whenever we take any home insurance policy, we can cover structure and content, or structure or content. Same way, wherever we are covering contents also in the home insurance policy, any kind of damage to furniture durables, clothing, electronic appliances, that also gets covered under the all risk policy when we are taking that as over and above paying extra premium. Yes. Then this is very, very important. Additional expenses for rent or alternative accommodation. Like for example, in Airoli only, when we saw that the fire was gushing and it was damaging the home, so fire brigade came and they did all the necessary things and the fire was calm. But though the fire was stopped by the fire brigade, the occupants in that home could not live there immediately. So if our own home is getting damaged like that, we need to shift. We need to shift to some alternative accommodation, at least for temporary period, till our home is restored. So we can take this additional cover for alternative rent also by paying small extra premium. And this can be for 12 months or till the time again our house is restored and becomes habitable, whichever is earlier. Similarly, if our house, if our home, if we have rented it to the tenant, because of such damage, that property becomes uninhabitable, not habitable, so the tenants cannot continue there. And if the tenants are not staying in that property, then of course our rent stops. In that case, we can take this loss of rent also in the policy. So in that, if we are paying small extra premium, then whatever actual rent we are losing, that also can be covered in the policy. Here, we need to understand one thing, that either rent for alternative accommodation may be claimable under the policy, or loss of rent can be claimed. Because any insurance policy, whether it is home insurance, vehicle insurance, any kind of insurance policy, is to indemnify the person for the losses which he or she has actually incurred. We are not supposed to make profit out of the insurance policy. So if I was staying in that property before the damage happened, and if I shift to alternative accommodation, I am eligible for that alternative rent, which I will be paying. Or if I have rented my property, then whatever actual rent I was getting, if I'm losing that rent because of such damage, that will get covered. But at the same time, for same property, I cannot claim rent for alternative accommodation, and at the same time, loss of rent also. Both things cannot be claimed together. Right? Now, yes, it is also very important. Additional living expenses. So immediate expenses which we may have to bear, like our clothes, like our food, then whatever expenses we are incurring more, which are our necessary expenses, those kind of expenses also get covered under this policy. Now just imagine that whenever any kind of that fire, earthquake, or any kind of thing happens, the immediate thing comes in our mind is about our dream home. But at the same time, our day-to-day, many items are there in the home. And whenever we cannot stay, whenever we cannot live in the home, in that property, whenever we go out, we have to take care of certain additional living expenses. So such kind of living expenses also can be covered under the policy. Now, next is mechanical and or electrical breakdown cover. This cover is applicable for the durables like our home, washing machine, TV, and all air condition, all these things. So in that case, if it is damaged due to mechanical or electrical breakdown also, then we can get reimbursement for the damage which has happened. Here also, what is the exclusion? If that particular electric appliance or the durable is covered under any kind of warranty or guarantee by the manufacturer or by any service provider, that won't get covered. Because in that case, ideally, that cover will be provided by the manufacturer of that item. Many homes, many people have a liking about the fine arts. So fine arts also can be covered under the policy. There is no specific price for that because fine arts are supposed to be priceless. So if we have to cover the fine art, in that case, we have to agree for the value which we are considering. We have to declare that to the insurance company, and on the agreed value, we can cover fine arts also. So if our fine arts also gets damaged, then for the agreed value, we get cover or the reimbursement under the policy for fine arts also. And all the A to G, please remember, these are by paying extra premium. And we get option, how much can we cover under that? Right. So as I told you that if we have to cover our other items also, we get option like this. So what are the options we get whenever we actually go for the insurance? So dwelling all risk. So here we have to mention what cover do we intend to have. All these figures mentioned here are just for the purpose of understanding. These figures may change from home to home, from person to person. It is as per the wish of the person how much cover he or she wants to take. So dwelling all risk, we discussed earlier, content all risk, additional expenses for alternative rent, additional living expenses, the maximum coverage available is 2 lakhs for that, mechanical and electrical breakdown cover, fine arts cover, personal accident cover. It is also very important. So God forbid if any accident or any those villains struck us or our home, and because of that, any of us or any visitor, guest, relative also gets affected due to that accident, then we can have cover under the same policy up to 10 lakh for personal accident also. Then additionally, we also can take personal liability. Now, what is this personal liability? Like for example, in the fire which we saw, the neighboring houses or the house above that or the house below that also got affected because of that fire. So if any other's property is also getting affected because of something happening in our home, then that is also covered. In contractual terms, there is one thing called vicarious liability, that if any other's property is getting damaged, then that person can recover those damages from me, even if I have not directly caused the damage. But unintentionally damages are caused, and such kind of damages can be reimbursed, including the legal liability also. So this personal liability also, we highly recommend very nominal cost but we are covered against that also. Then one more thing is removal of debris. So debris means the malba or the remains, कुछ प्रॉपर्टी डिस्ट्रॉय हो गया फायर या अर्थक्वेक या किसी के वजह से, तो जो नीचे गिरता है सब कुछ मलबा एंड ऑल, दैट्स डेब्री. We have to pay for such removal of debris also. So we can cover removal of debris also under our insurance policy. And yes, loss of rent we discussed. If tenant is occupying somewhere else, we will lose the rent. That also can be covered under loss of rent. When we actually go for this policy, at that time we can see if we are taking cover, how much premium we may have to pay for that. And believe me, it is really negligible premium. Right. Now, the most important thing, we know now why home insurance is important, what are the villains or what are the natural or man-made calamities we can get protection against. Now the question comes that how much value I should insure my home for, because my home, my dream home has costed me maybe 1.5 crores, 2 crores, 3 crores, any value, and it is most precious possession for me apart from my personal relations. So how much can we value that for the purpose of insurance? So as I earlier told, we can cover structure and contents. Now we can cover only structure also. Structure means all the four walls, roof, and the flooring. If we have to cover that, then we need to consider what is the cost for the construction. And construction cost is different from the value of our home. Like for example, in this example, we have taken 1200 square feet का flat. अभी यही फ्लैट अगर मेरा 1200 स्क्वायर फीट का आइरोली में है, तो ये शायद मुझे 1.5 CR में आएगा. यही फ्लैट मेरा पवई में है, तो मे बी शायद ये 2 CR 2.5 करोड़ को जाएगा. यही फ्लैट अगर मेरा से बांद्रा, जुहू वो साइड में है, तो शायद ये मुझे एनीथिंग बिटवीन 5 to 10 करोड़ भी कॉस्ट मुझे वैल्यू देना पड़ेगा. So what is very important, why the value is changing depending on the area? Because whenever we buy any property, what does it cover? It covers value of the land and also the construction cost. The value of the land differs from area to area, like Airoli, Powai, Bandra, Juhu, like that. But the cost of construction won't differ in that proportion. So for someone in Bandra, the property may be for 5 crores. Someone in Airoli, property may be for 1.5 crores, but construction cost won't vary that much. And here, in this home insurance, which we suggest, what do we suggest to cover is the reinstatement value and not the market value. Because in case of any damage to our home or damage to any property, the land value or the land remains as it is. What does the insurance policy covers? Insurance policy covers the damage which has happened. The land cannot be damaged, the land cannot be destroyed. And therefore, if we have to construct a similar home, then we may have to incur the construction value. We may have to pay the construction value for that. So here, structural value can be arrived at our built-up area in square feet multiplied by the cost of construction. The cost of construction available on open sources also, or we may assume certain cost of construction, like here we have assumed 4,000. Cost of construction may vary in the same building also. Like for example, flooring is normal. Somebody would have got normal flooring. Some would have got precious stones like marble or something flooring. Same way for roofing. So for neighbors also cost of construction can vary and we can consider it accordingly. So in this example, if our home is say for example 1200 square feet or 1000 square feet, 800 square feet, whatever, multiplied by cost of construction. We also suggest what cost of construction can be considered. So in this case, if 1200 multiplied by 4000, it is 48 lakhs. So we can get cover for 48 lakhs irrespective of market value of the property is 1 CR, 2 CR, 5 CR or whatever. Because structure value is 48 lakhs. Fine. So this we can arrive at cost of construction. Company will charge premium also for 48 lakhs. There are also policies available if somebody wants to cover the property as per market value. Then of course we will have to pay the premium as per market value. And in case of any full damage to the property, the company will take the ownership of that damaged property and will pay us the insurance value. Fine. Then which contents structure we discussed now, then which contents are covered? Like we saw fridge, TV, air conditioner, our furnitures, clothes, precious items at home, jewelry. So all these things will have limit in the policy. How much can we cover? Normally, jewelry is covered 25% of the total contents for which we are taking the cover. So we saw that what does it cover and against what we get the protection. It is also very, very important to know that what is not covered under the policy. So what are the permanent exclusions from the policy? So these are willful negligence or any misconduct. If I'm willfully doing something that ध्यान ही नहीं दे रहा हूं कुछ भी किया और उससे willful negligence के वजह से suppose मेरा loss होता है तो that is not covered, right? Now here what is the so and the second thing is war, invasion, act of foreign enemy or hostilities or war-like operations. So we need to keep in mind, we wish that war should never happen. If the war happens, then war is not covered under the any home insurance policy. Then there should not be breach of law with criminal intent. Like with criminal intent or unlawfully, if there are any explosives are kept at home, and if there is any breach of law, such things is not covered. Ionizing radiations related things are not covered. Radioactive substances are not covered under the policy. Then any kind of explosives or other hazardous properties of any explosive nuclear assembly is not covered under the policy. So these will be always permanent exclusions. Right. So what we saw that yes, our home is our dream, and for the sweet dreams, we like to continue the dream forever. So for our dream home also, even if there are villains, we cannot avoid the villains, but we can get protected against the villains. So if we are taking this home insurance, at least we can have peace of mind. So what are the 5 major things for which we should buy the home insurance? We should take the home insurance. The most important, that be at peace. Your treasured possessions are secured. God forbid, if they are damaged, then you can restore them. Then protect your home from burglary, terrorism, natural calamities with all these villains. Then whatever is not in our control, like fire accident. So don't let fire accidents burn a hole in your pocket. Then don't let water damage or stress you financially. And be prepared for any kind of unexpected calamities. So these are the main 5 reasons And always the question comes in mind that yes, all these things are fine, but all these things are not free because we need to pay premium for it. So how much would be the premium? How much would be the premium? हे नंतर. How much would be the premium for this? So if we compare that, if you are coloring your home, many people color their home in every 2, 3, 4 years, and they are spending certain amount on that. So this will be certain percentage of that entire coloring cost. Like for example, if you need to spend say 50,000 to 60,000 for coloring, 1 lakh for color, whatever amount, then the home insurance, if you are considering the per year premium, it will be hardly in the range of 5 to 10,000 maximum to get all those covers. And if we are paying premium for say 5 years, 10 years, 15 years, then we get huge discount also. So whenever we actually take the insurance, at that time we can evaluate that how much if we are paying for 1 year. If for 1 year it is coming say 100 rupees, then if we take for 5 years, it is not 500, it comes to anything between 300 to 350 rupees. So it is very cost effective also. Right. Now, how do we take the home insurance? It is fine. How do we take it? So earlier it was very difficult because a lot of documentation needed to be done. But as per IRDA and as all insurance companies are stepping up to provide this most of the time neglected insurance, the awareness also they are creating, and also they are making the process also very simple. Now for our clients or our friends, if they want to take this home insurance, then it is just a click away. You just contact anyone at GKFS, that is our office, whoever you are connected with. Give them call, email, WhatsApp. Our team will discuss with you. If you have any further queries, they will answer to that. And once you are satisfied, then they will share the link with you, guide with the simple process, just 3 to 5 minutes process. And once you make the payment, it's done. You can instantly download the policy. Whatever covers you have opted for are listed in the policy, and you get the policy like I show you immediately in the soft copy with all the coverages mentioned. And in about 8 to 10 days, you also get hard copy of the policy. So it's that simple. So this is all about I wanted to share about our home insurance policy. If any one of you have any questions, you are ready to welcome to ask that. These are our contact details. Our clients already know this. So any questions are welcome. You're also welcome to get in touch with us after this webinar also with any of our team members. You're welcome to contact me, and whatever doubts we have, we assure that we will satisfy all your queries, all your questions we will answer, and then we will highly recommend you to pay a small premium to cover your dream home. Thank you. I'm open for questions now.
Good afternoon, everyone. Thank you, Shailesh sir, for this wonderful session.
Thank you very
We
much.
have 2 questions in chat box. I will just share those with you. Yes, sir. First question is leakage through walls covered, and if it is damaged furniture because of it?
Right. That's a good question. Leakage to the wall or to any furniture or any contents is covered provided the leakage has happened because of the named perils or the named risks. So because of fire, any impact or earthquake, if those named perils or risks, if that is the cause of such leakage, then that kind of leakage is covered. But many times we see that in rainy season, the leakage or the dampness comes to the wall, or because of that, it is due to maybe the construction may not be proper. that leakage is not caused by any of such named risks against which we have taken cover in the policy. So normal leakage not covered. But yes, if the leakage has happened due to such named perils or the named risk, that kind of leakage.
Sir, our next question is, on what basis claim will be paid for jewelry as gold rates are fluctuating? Will it on the basis of amount we declare while taking insurance or cost of purchase or market value at loss?
Excellent question. So yes, for the jewelry or durable, whatever we are declaring, so as per that, the basis is to basis for coverage is as per market value. So whatever is the market value for such durables or the jewelry, it will be paid. And for that, yes, we need to have the bills in the safe thing. So whatever may be our purchase value for jewelry also and for the contents also, market value will be given.
Yes. So next question is any surveyor visit the premises for the cost estimate when we declare? Yeah.
At the time of taking the insurance, surveyor is not required. It is not must. Earlier that was must, but earlier the surveyor valuation and everything was required. The insurance works on the utmost good faith. So whatever is reasonable, whatever as per our understanding, that value we can declare and no special surveyor is required. But yes, at the time of damage or at the time of claim, surveyor and all company will appoint.
Yes. So one more question. Can coverage be taken on market value of flat or it is strictly on construction cost? Sir, you have explained this, but if
I
you
will
can
again,
once again. Yeah.
I will again explain. Yeah. So coverage can be taken in two ways. One is that market value of my home is say 1 CR, 2 CR, 3 CR. I can take coverage for that also, or I can take coverage for reinstatement value also. So reinstatement value is the structure cost only. So what we suggest that you at least take cover for structure cost, because at least we are covered against that. But if any wants to cover for entire market value, then such kind of policies are also available. Because what we suggest the minimum cover, because whatever things are covered, so in that the partial damage to the property, the probability or chances are more for that. The entire building collapsing, entire property collapsing, and the entire property getting damaged, that probability, though not zero, the probability is low. And therefore, if anyone wishes to get that cover, can take that cover. But otherwise, at least structure can be taken. And in that, if the property is covered for market value, then in that case, the insurance company, in case of full damage, will pay the market value, but then insurance company will take ownership of that property. Then the property does not belong to us because we have got the entire amount.
Sir, can damage due to rainwater leakage be covered if we take all risk cover for structure?
Leakage due to rainwater is not covered because that is not due to any kind of accident, any kind of fire. So leakage due to normal rain is not covered, even in all risk also.
And one more question is, what is the time taken to settle the claim?
So normally as per IRDA, it is 30 days from the last document submitted. So in this case, we can consider about 30 days to 45 days because we also need to actually assess how much are the damages. We mean the owner of the property. And in this case, one more thing, the owner can take the cover for structure and content or structure or content. But if tenant wants to take the cover, then tenant can take only for the contents.
Yes.
Any
Sir,
other question?
at the time of claim, there can be a survey of the premises or documents we need to submit. Can you share that?
Yes. So at the time of survey or at the time of claim, so whenever any such damage happens, like due to fire or earthquake or maybe burglary, then in that case, the fire department prepares one report for the extent of the damage which it has caused. In case of total damage, there is entirely damaged, so insurance amount. But in case of partial damage, the department prepares the report, and as per that, damages can be given. Any other question? I missed or answered?
Yes, sir. One more question from
Also,
my side.
sorry. In this case, also what we suggest that if entire home is damaged, then all our purchase bills, invoices, and everything also get damaged. So, as an additional precaution, what we suggest to maintain all the records outside the home in at least soft copy. So, for our clients, we provide this records management service also. So, for the things which are taken with us or from outside also, for our client, we maintain that record. So, it is advisable.
Yes. So, sir, if in case of burglary like that happens, then do we need to submit the police FIR details also?
So, like I told, for fire, it is fire department, and in that case, fire department, and in the case of any burglary, then FIR will be there. So, in that case, the police report, FIR will be useful. We need to file FIR for that.
So, one more question from participant. What is the maximum limit of insurance for domestic help in home insurance?
In home insurance, we can take cover for domestic help or the rest, our relatives also under personal accident, and that is maximum limit is 10 lakhs. It also may differ policy to policy. So normally maximum 10 lakhs, and it is up to us whether we have to take 2 lakhs, 5 lakhs, 10 lakhs, we can.
Yes. What about damage for physical documents? Can it be insured?
Physical documents, no. Physical documents cannot be insured because the physical documents, what value can we have? Because what can be insured, which is damaged or which has the value. Physical damage may have intrinsic value, but it does not have any replacement. Physical documents cannot be insured.
Yes. For securing our physical documents, the only option what sir suggests is we can scan those copies and keep the record for the same, or we can share those copies with the GKFS and GKFS will provide you service for the same. Yes. I think from Q&A section and chat box we have completed all the questions, but still anyone is having any questions, they are welcome.
I'll also just have a look. I think somebody asked about termite also.
I'll just check, sir.
I think someone asked about termite also, whether damage cost because of termite also covered or not. So damage cost because of termite not covered under the policy. It is not covered.
Yes. Yes, so one question is there. Damage due to termite you answered. Along with that, one more is there. Any policy is there which cover loss of job, etc.?
Loss of job, etc. Yes, in some of the policies it is also covered. Normally, whenever any home loan is taken, at that time the bank pressurizes the loan taker to take certain kind of policy. So in that, loss of job is also covered. Such kind of policies can be taken individually also. We also can provide such kind of policy in which loss of job is also covered. But in that, we need to read the fine print because the terms and conditions are so much for that loss of job. So normal layoff and all these things are getting excluded from that. So if anyone wants to have discussion about that, we can discuss that in detail along with the fine print, because in all the insurance policies, it is very important to understand the fine print. But yes, lots of job covering policies are there.
Yes. Sir, is valuation required for fine arts?
If we can provide, that will be great. Otherwise, it will be as per the value agreed. Because insurance company will charge the premium based on what value we are declaring. And again, here also, the onus or the responsibility to prove that it is valued that much is on the declarant who is declaring that value. So if we can provide, that is great, but that's not compulsory.
Yes. Sir, for content and structure, for how long we can cover? I mean, we can pay it for 1 year premium or 5 year premium. How
Correct.
it
Yeah.
will be?
So if we have to insure only structure, then structure we can pay premium for 1 year, 2 year, or any year up to 20 years. So if it is only for structure, then premium can be paid up to 20 years. The longer we pay, additional discount we get, and discount can be as high as 50% also. So only structure 20 years. If we are taking content or structure and contents, then with contents we can claim up to 5 years. We can pay the premium up to 5 years. And 5 years also we get discounted premium.
Yes. Any question from participants? Hope everyone's question is cleared. I mean, if you have still any question, any doubts, as sir told, you can contact to GKFS, or still you can type in a chat box. We will have 1 minute to see your questions and answer them further.
Great. Thank you.
Yes, sir, no questions. All done.
Sorry.
No questions.
Okay, thank you.
Everything is clear.
Thank you. And this webinar also we conducted depending on our many of our clients' requests. So now we are thinking that we will have series of such webinars. So if anyone of you wants to suggest any topics or wants to understand anything in detail, you are welcome to suggest it to us. We will cover that also in our webinar. Thanks a lot for joining again. Thanks a lot.
Yes. Thank you, sir. Thank you, all participants. Have a good day.
Thank you. Thank you.